Hey everybody, as you've seen recently, I've done a lot of workshops with young people in secondary schools talking about self-confidence. And I wanted to share with you what I teach them, see if I can help you a little bit, and maybe if you could just comment below, we can get the conversation ongoing. But what I try to teach is the difference between self-confidence and self-esteem and how to build it. Because all self-confidence is your belief or faith in your abilities and attributes. So do you have belief that you can brush your teeth? Do you have belief that you can breathe? Do you have faith in your ability to drive a car or to speak in front of people? Whatever it is that you can do, whatever your attributes are, do you have faith and belief in them? As opposed to self-esteem. Self-esteem is all about your value of yourself. Do you think you're worthy? Do you like you? Do you love you? See, they're very different ideas because self-confidence is built on facts. Can you or can you not do a thing? But self-esteem is all about your emotions. Do you value yourself? Do you love yourself? And I suggest to you today that the only way to have self-confidence or to have self-esteem is to know yourself. Because if you don't know what you can do or who you are, how can you have confidence in what you can do and who you are? And how can you value yourself and love yourself if you don't know yourself? This is what I'm trying to teach little children. This is what I want to teach adults. And this is what I want to teach you. So, comment below if you struggle with it or if you have something wonderful and positive to say. Thanks.